If you guys want to try the shopping cart trick, I think that the shopping cart trick works best for people that have some type of history, but you guys can definitely still try to get the shopping cart trick to work if you guys are fresh, you don't have any type of history, and you 18. If you guys need to try to build credit, I suggest when you turn 18, try to get you a secure credit card with Discover, Navy Federal, Capital One, because these secure credit cards can graduate to other credit cards, and it's not going to be just like a store credit card. These are going to be credit cards that you can use nationally or internationally, which is something I really like. And you can start building a relationship with them, because eventually you can have $20,000 limits, $30,000 limits with these companies when you get older, and your income can vouch for that. So I don't know if the shopping cart trick can work when you were young, 18, but you can definitely try to see if you can get it to work. Now, let's go ahead and check out the shopping cart trick, because I have the shopping cart trick on my website. So let's go ahead and search it. So the shopping cart trick. So here is a newer video that I made of the shopping cart trick. And when it comes down to the shopping cart trick, you guys, they are usually it's going to usually work with like Victoria's Secrets, Venus, Express, and it's usually for people that have some type of history. Now I can try to see if I can get the shopping cart trick to work for anybody. All you gotta do is click right here on try now. I can try to see if I can get it to work for you guys, but most likely you have to have some type of history. But I'm going to build out more shopping cart trick, have the additional videos added here. So if you guys are checking in 2022 and you're watching this video, this should be actually updated by the time you come to the website. But yeah, try to see if you can get it to work. I can even try if I can see it gets to work. But remember, your information has to be in the system. That's the biggest thing. And maybe you can just opt into Factor Trust and a free screen opt out and see if it worked from there. But I just don't know. And I just don't know if it's going to work like that. But definitely see if I can try. Go ahead and fill out that link, or maybe you can just try on your own to see if you can get it to work. But I also did tell you to try to see if you can do, let me see. I'm put build in here because I have the best credit cards to build credit right here. Um, there's other credit cards that she can possibly, or yeah, my daughter. Yeah, my daughter. It's other credit cards that she can possibly try. She could try all the ones like the kickoff, fresh 18. That'll be perfect to start building credit. Like I too, I rather them start with like the Discover is secure credit cards. The Tumo, if they have any type of banking history already, they can try that. The M Rewards, try to get that one there. The Capital One Platinum secure credit card, add them as an authorized user on your credit cards too, because when you add them as an authorized user on your credit cards, that can help them boost their credit score, so that they can get these other credit cards. And if they're going to college, get them to Discover a student credit card, because they don't have any credit history required to get this one. And remember, this is where Discover is accepted. It's not like a store credit card with like Victoria's Secret, Venus. Those I think is like a trap for young people, because they're going to use them. Soon as you get an offer in the mail, like Victoria's Secret is doing some type of sale, you going like you gonna swipe that card like that, you know. So I always tell people, try to see if they can get a credit card like this. And like I said, add them as an authorized user. And I think I still have my $50 credit. So go ahead and click on the apply now and try to see if you can use that $50 credit when you guys like when you apply for this credit card. But again, authorized user is like the way to go, because that's going to give them that initial boost to their credit.